Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 4, Day 2. So yesterday we were focused on learning about three-letter blends. And so for our phonemic awareness, we are going to be hearing a word and breaking it apart into the sounds. So I will start. The first one is strap. So s, t, a, p, 5 sounds. So let's do a few more of these. Scream. Now you might want to go skr, but that's not right, because skr is not a letter in the alphabet, but s, k, e, m, those are sounds in the alphabet. So we have to really break it apart. So there were 5 sounds in scream. Let's do spray. S, b, a, 4 sounds. Spraying. S, p, a, n. 5 sounds again. Thrown. Th, o, n. 4 sounds. Splash. S, b, o, a, sh. 5 sounds. Scrap. S, k, a, p. 5 sounds. Street. S, t, e, t. Street has 5 sounds. Throb. Th, a, b. 4 sounds. Thrill. Th, il. 4 sounds. And last one, stripe. S, t, I, p. 5 sounds. Okay, so this is our second day going over this. Let me get a new color for us. Let's do rose gold. That's kind of fun. It's just a different color. Okay, so I will underline the first part and I will do the 3-letter blend with you, and then you can blend the rest. So stir, 3, 2, 1, strong. Stir, 3, 2, 1, street. Skr, 3, 2, 1, scrub. Spur, 3, 2, 1, spray, because remember AY says A. Thur, 3, 2, 1, through. Spool, 3, 2, 1, split. Split, Thur, 3, 2, 1, thrown. Stir, 3, 2, 1, straw. Skr, 3, 2, 1, scrap. Thur, 3, 2, 1, throat. Okay, so we go SPR, spur, spur, spur. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, spray. Okay, let's go down. SCR, skr, skr, skr. Scurry, scream. Put it together, scream. Okay. SPL, spool, spool, spool. Split, split. STR, stir, stir, stir. Stir, see the super E? Stroke, stroke, like you stroke the head of a cat. You're petting him. Next, three. SCHR, sure, shrink. Okay, now this time we'll do it together. So without doing SCR. Okay, ready? Scratch, scratch. Straw. Remember, it's the ah sound. Straw. Okay, here's another one. Throat. Next. Stretch. Now remember, TCH says ch. It doesn't say touch. So stretch. Splash. Splash. Now this can say ow or o, but would throw make sense? No, so it's probably throw. Stir and strand, like a strand of hair that's sticking out. Okay, next. Stream. So stream is a little bit of water that's moving. Spring, spring. Okay, So let's blend this. 3, 2, 1, scratch. Change the ch to ul. So all. Scrawl. So if you scrawl on something, you're writing on it. Change the scrawl. Change the ul to p. So scrap. So scrap. Change the skr to stir. Strap. Change the p to und. So strand. Change the a to e. So this is going to be an e sound. Change the a to e and the und to k. So streak. Change the k to stream. Change the to t. Street. Okay. Oh, we're not done yet. Change the e to e. Just change this part to ing. So stir, ing, string. Change the stir to spur, spring. Oh, whoops. Change the to nt. So it's not going to be int, it's going to be int. So sprint. Change the spur to spool. So get rid of that and put spool. Splint. Change the nt to t. So split. Okay, so SCR, skr. SPL, spool. SPR, spur. THR, thur. SHR, sure. Okay, so you will do your spelling either online. You can do Spelling City, or you can also do it in your packet, or both. Okay, let's look at some of these words. So scream, throb, stir, super E, stripe, spur, ing, spring, splint. Okay, let's read this sentence. 3 fish splashed in the stream. So they're fish in the stream. Okay, let's read our story for today. I will be underlining the 3-letter blends. Mrs. Sprig's spring flowers. So Mrs. Sprigg is her name. So Mrs. means she's married. When can I help? Chip asked. It is time, Chip. Mrs. Sprigg spoke up. Move that dirt pile by those far shrubs into this field. Oh, there's shrubs. Thad wished he could help, but he was just too little. So there's Thad, and there's Chip, and there's Mrs. Sprigg. Okay, let's keep going. It is time to dig holes in this spot. Excuse me, said Mrs. Sprigg with a smile. Chip was strong. Stir. Chip dug and dug. He made a long strip, stir, of holes. Then Chip stopped to scratch his leg. Thad just sat and watched. Poor Thad, he can't do anything. Next, you must get this dirt wet, said Mrs. Sprigg. Chip grabbed a big hose. It was fun making water splish and splash until the dirt was ready. It looked like mud. Thad really wished he could help. Okay, here we go. Mrs. Sprigg had packs of strange little seeds. I like lots and lots of spring flowers, she said. Thad, you are just the right size for this fun job. Shake seeds in the holes just like this, Mrs. Sprigg said. Thad was thrilled to pitch in. Mrs. Sprigg said, this seed will grow into a blue flower. It will need light and water. Then you will see leaves spring up. This seed will grow into a big orange and white flower. Bird stopped to sit and chat. Bird, it is nice that you came. I like your red hat, said Mrs. Sprigg. We are done planting. We will scrub, that means clean up, scrub up and change. Then you can have pie with us. Mrs. Sprigg, Chip, Thad, and Bird sat in the sun and had pie. Chip ate a little slice, and Thad ate a big slice. Mrs. Sprigg sat back and pictured a flower bed filled with lots and lots of spring flowers. Now, what you'll also notice is there were a lot of two-letter blends. So there was full for flower. There was that's a digraph. So that's a digraph too. So there were a lot of two-letter blends though. PL for planting. But today we weren't focused on digraphs or two-letter blends. We were focused on three-letter blends. Okay, so let's look at this. When ed is added to a verb is an action, it tells about something that happened in the past. So stretch becomes stretched in the past. And if it's happening right now, it's stretching. It's happening right now. And if it's the future, will stretch is the future. Because will means it hasn't happened yet, but it will. Okay, let's look at a few more of these. So scrape. So if you scrape your leg, scrape your knee. So scrape, to put it in the past, becomes scraped. And you add ed. Oh, sorry guys. Add ed. And then to put it right now, it's scraping, happening right now. And then in the future, hopefully you won't, but will scrape. So maybe if you go outside, you will scrape your knee. Okay, last one is scrub. To put it in the past, we say scrubbed, ed. Ed means it's the past. And right now is scrubbing, means it's happening right this minute. And in the future, will scrub. So if the car gets dirty, you will have to scrub it. Okay, let's look at some of these. So we have stir. That's not a match. So strike. Oh, this is stir, spur, a, thur, e, spool, it, split, skir, scrape, and spool, splash. So these were the only two that were the same. Okay, here are some high frequency words. Before. My name comes before your name in ABC order. Front. Oh, whoops. Push the cart in front of you. Heard. Have you heard that the plane will fly tomorrow? Push the cart in front of you. Tomorrow. Have you heard that the plane will fly tomorrow? Your. My name comes before your name in ABC order. Okay, so yesterday we were talking about pronouns. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. And a noun is a person, place, or thing. So instead of saying John, 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 I would replace it with either he, or if he's talking about himself, he'd say I. So we are going to look at the sentence and find the pronoun. The pronoun is who it's about. No. Sometimes. So the subjective pronoun tells you who, but the objective pronoun tells you what happened to them. So let me show you this. I will tie a string around the box. The pronoun is I, and in the future his verb is tie. He's going to tie a string around the box. So I is telling you who's talking. It's me or you. Okay, next, Gran spent the day with me. So now this time, we wouldn't say Gran spent the day with I. The pronoun is me. Now Gran is a noun, but her name is Gran. We're not saying she spent the day with me. That would be a pronoun. We're saying Gran, that's her name, spent the day with me. The pronoun would be me. And because, what did she do? She spent, the verb is spent, the day with me. So we would put me at the end. Okay, let's look at a few of these. My brother and blank share a bedroom. My brother and I share a bedroom. My brother and me share a bedroom. So you would say my brother and I, because the verb is after. Mom helped. I painted a stripe on my bike. Mom helped me painted. Mom helped I paint a stripe on my bike. Mom helped me paint a stripe on my bike. It would be me because the verb paint is after. I hope that makes a little bit more sense. See you tomorrow.